Today we are preparing fish and vegetable soup, and these are the ingredients. This is fish fillet cut into pieces. It's already seasoned with ginger, white pepper and cooking oil, and that's the fish fillet. Put them in a bowl. And these are the other ingredients. This is sour vegetable, comes in a packet, usually available in Chinese groceries or Chinese supermarkets. And then we have tofu, rice, and then we have chicken broth and piece of ginger and cornstarch powder, and then we have soybean sprouts and cut spring onion, then striped ginger and egg into the bowl of fish fillet. These are the ingredients: sour vegetable cut into pieces, soybean sprouts available in supermarkets, cut spring onion, striped ginger. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch into the fish bowl and mix it thoroughly. Fish fillet. What is the reason for adding this starch into this?
This is the salt.
The cornstarch makes the fish softer and smoother.
Yeah.
And also it gives some stickiness to fish so that it will all cohesive. Now the bean curd, or we call it tofu, cut into pieces like this. Put a saucepan on the stove and add a little bit of water, about 1 liter of water, and sprinkle some salt into that. Add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the boiling water. The reason for adding vinegar as well as boiling water is to remove the smell and the stickiness of tofu. When the water is boiling, add cut tofu into that. That's the boiling tofu in the saucepan. Put little water into a bowl. Add a bit of salt. After 5 minutes of boiling, take out the tofu and put into the bowl of water. This removes the foul smell comes from tofu and make them unsticky, otherwise it sticks together. Saucepan on the stove and add little cooking oil into that, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and add cut pieces of ginger, few cloves of garlic, followed by spring onions and mix. Then add cut sour vegetable pieces and mix it. Boil some water,
What's the boiling water? And
add soybean sprouts into another pan. Mix vegetables so that it doesn't stick together into the saucepan and avoid burning. Add boiling water into the saucepan. About 1 liter of boiling water was added there. Now add already seasoned fish fillet pieces into the saucepan of boiling vegetables. Now the boiling dish looks like this. Now add tofu into the bowl, into the pan with soybean sprouts. Add chicken broth. Take out vegetables and other fish by a strainer and add into the pan with tofu and add the remaining water from the boiling saucepan into the other pan. Now cover the saucepan. Keep it boiling. After 15 minutes of boiling, it looks like this.
white color.
The fish fillet has become white, and you can add little bit of lemon. After about 20-25 minutes, finally fresh white pepper grind and sprinkle cut spring onions into the bowl.
And put some ginger.
Also add few stripes of
Ginger just to remove the
ginger.
fish smelling. Give some good taste, smell.
Yeah. Ginger makes it smell nicer and tastier.
If you like, you can put this sesame oil. I don't like it.
Add a bit of sesame oil
You want?
if you prefer the taste of it.